Listen to me, you don't have to learn trading right now. Seriously. If someone told you trading is the fast track to wealth, press pause. In this video, I'll tell you exactly why trading is not the first thing you should learn, when it actually makes sense to learn it, and what you should do instead today to actually make money and protect your time. Stay with me. This will save you money, months, maybe years. Okay, imagine this. You're sitting at your laptop, late at night, charts open, heart racing when the candle shoots up. You think, if I only had the next trade right. I get it. The charts look powerful. The ads promise quick wins. But here's the blunt truth. Most people who jump into trading without a steady income, plan, and patience lose. Not sometimes, often. I'm telling you this like I tell my own brother. I don't want you burning months of your life watching red candles and reading hype. First, no steady income. If you don't have a reliable paycheck, every dollar you put into a trade will feel like a lifeline. When money feels like survival, your decisions grow emotional, and emotions wreck trading. Imagine watching your phone light up with bills and your trading screen flashing losses. That stress makes you do stupid things. Second, you probably don't have the patience. Trading is boring a lot of the time. It's waiting, testing, journaling, counting tiny edges. If you want instant adrenaline and instant cash, trading gives you the adrenaline but rarely the cash at first. You'll trade aggressively, then you'll trade emotionally, then you'll be broke and frustrated. Third, it takes time and brutal practice. Real trading skills take months, often years, to reach a consistent place. You don't just learn indicators and win. You learn risk management, position sizing, psychology, and how to lose without panicking. That learning curve is not cheap. You can spend a year grinding your account to zero. Fourth, beware the scams, binary options, guaranteed signals, proprietary bot sales. Those are traps. Binary platforms are literally structured so the house wins, your losses fund the sellers. If someone online is pushing binary options or pump and dump strategies with flashy success screenshots, step away. They profit from your losses. So, when should you learn trading? Do this only when you have a stable source of income, a job, freelance revenue, or business that covers your living costs. Trading should be discretionary money, not rent money. You have emergency savings, at least a few months of expenses. This cools emotional trading. You've already built marketable skills that earn you reliable money. Think of trading as an extra lane, not your only road. You're willing to invest time in a demo account, a trading journal, and systematic study for months without expecting profit. Treat it like learning an instrument. If those boxes are unchecked, trading should be a curiosity you learn slowly. Practice and demo, read books, watch real case studies, but don't risk capital you can't afford to lose. Here's the map I want you to follow if your goal is to make money and build a future, and fast. Pick one marketable skill. Options that actually pay: digital marketing, copywriting, web or app programming, UI/UX, video editing, voiceover, graphic design, social media, ad management, sales. Pick one that fits your taste and the market demand. Practice the skill daily. Spend 30 to 60 minutes every day learning and doing real tasks. Watch tutorials, then recreate the work. Repeat. Work for free, but smartly. Do one or two paid or pro bono projects to build a portfolio. Offer to friends, small local businesses, or volunteer for causes. The point is experience and evidence of results. Charge small, then raise prices. Start by charging a token fee, then as your results improve, increase. Repeatable value is how you turn skills into income. Save and scale. Use that income to build savings and a small runway. When you have steady cash flow, trading, if you still want it, becomes a tool, not a trap. Let me tell you about a friend. Call him Omar. Omar spent 2 years glued to charts, watching one pump and dump after another. He lost a lot. He told me later, "I wished I had spent those 2 years building a skill." Meanwhile, another friend, Lena, learned video editing in 6 months, started taking small gigs, and by year 1, she had a steady income and clients. She saved and then started studying trading casually, without pressure. The difference? Lena had options. Omar felt cornered. This is the conflict you must choose: the short, noisy promise of quick trading wins, or the slower, stubborn route of skill building that pays reliably and gives you choices. Choice beats adrenaline. If you still want to trade, fine. Do it like a pro. Start with a demo account, trade in simulated conditions, and treat it like real money. Track every trade in a journal. Backtest a strategy, don't guess. Test your idea across months of data. Risk small. Never risk more than 1% to 2% of your trading capital on one trade. This keeps you alive long enough to learn. Keep a trading journal. Write why you entered, why you exited, what emotion you felt. That record is gold. Avoid high leverage and binary options. Leverage magnifies losses. Binary options are rigs for the house. Measure your edge. Consistency beats intuition. If you can't prove an edge over many trades, don't escalate stakes. Picture this, your screen at 3 a.m., the hum of the room, coffee gone cold, the glow of red and green candles. Or picture meeting a client in a cafe. They shake your hand, pay you for the first time, and you feel it, dignity. The second scene beats the first every time. Your future self will thank you more for skills and steady coffee-scented payments than for the thrill of a brief big trade. Question: can trading make me rich? Maybe eventually. But it's not the fastest or safest path. Question: should I try both skill plus trading? Yes. Build skills first. Once stable, add trading as a side project with small, risk-managed capital. Question: how long until I earn online? Often months. If you commit daily for 3 to 6 months, you can start getting gigs. Be patient and persistent. I know the temptation, you want fast success. Me too. We all want easier paths. But real freedom comes from options. Options come from skills, discipline, and time. If you invest your life into a proven skill, you'll open doors, clients, savings, and the calm to try risky things safely later. If this helped you, do one thing for me, hit like and subscribe if you want more real, no-fluff advice about making money the smart way. Drop one sentence in the comments. Tell me which skill you'll try this month. I read every comment and I'll answer a few. If you want, I'll make a follow-up video showing a 90-day plan for one skill. Tell me which skill you want. Close your eyes for a second. Imagine steady steps, not frantic sprints. Imagine paying your bills without panic, then using extra money to learn something risky without fear. That's the real path. Start small. Start smart. I've got your back.